And then finally, we have our Reports tab. You've already seen me generate a time history report. That was the one with the audio list. You've seen the summary report. That was the first one that we saw when we clicked Quick Report. But just to show you how easy it is to produce any report within our software, all we need you to do is go to the Reports tab, pick the report tab that you're interested in. I'm sure your eyes have all been drawn to Nuisance. Click on the report that you're interested in, press Next once, add another picture if your heart desires, press Next a second time, and basically this is the noise nuisance report. And what we've tried to do is very similar to the time history report. It's got those markers on, gives you your LAQ, your LAE, and your LAF max. But if I jump to page 2, it's just listed my audio there. However, it would have tried to put it all onto one page if it was possible to fit it on that one page. Back to our time history page for a moment. As I've asked it to highlight audio markers for me, which are the orange lines you can see on the screen now, that will happen every time I download a measurement from my Trojan. It will always highlight those audios for me. But maybe you've listened to the audio and you'd like to start to mark up your measurement to save you having to do it later. So you've listened to an audio file, what you're able to do with your mouse. So I shall do one outside of an audio file so it's a little bit clearer. So if I hold the key down on my mouse and drag my mouse across, I can put my cursor in the middle of that box that's now appeared on the screen. I can mark it up. Now you'll of course give it a proper name such as dog barking or something like that. I shall just leave it as label. I'm going to click OK. So it's now highlighted the area that I've said label, but you'll call dog barking. And if I highlight again, and there's a reason that I'm highlighting more than one, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So I've highlighted another one, it's the same colour, I've called that label. This is the same again, mark it up, same colour, it's called label. I'm now going to produce that quick report you saw me produce a moment ago by going to Actions, Quick Report, and we're just going to jump straight to page 2. So the areas that I have called label, but you'll give a real name to, because I've spelt them the same and the colour's the same, the software understands it's the same thing and they've grouped it together. So if it's a dog barking repeatedly, if you highlight over your audio recording every time it was a dog barking and call it dog barking, spell it the same, keep the colour the same, software understands it's the same thing, has grouped it together, but it'll now give you how many times that happened, how long it happened for, the individual decibel values for each recording, and then the average value overall. And here at the bottom, it will even show you how loud it was if you took that dog barking out. That's a nice way to mark up your measurement as you're moving along, listening to those audio recordings.